Hello and thanks for watching. Creating a list of phone numbers to dial during daily prospecting activity can be time-consuming and unfocused, but using the automated power of reports in Salesforce can help you streamline your efforts. Watch this video for a method to create a high-priority and extremely focused calling list straight to your inbox every morning. Before we jump into creating our report, let's first take a quick look at our new lead input screen for some ways to supercharge this method. It is important to enter all of the information you have for each lead and make use of the extra fields to help disposition the lead for future prospecting efforts, like call and email campaigns. With 8 available options, the lead status is required and should be chosen accurately and updated during the life cycle of the lead. An accurate industry selection ensures that you will have the capability to create lists of your leads for email campaigns to take advantage of the marketing materials targeting verticals. Selecting the known desired features will also help when you want to create a mailing campaign for everyone who wanted MMS or call recording. Use this for both existing and upcoming features. The Quick Notes field can't be used to create filters, so while you may have the features in your notes, you can't use that to create a report or list view. The lead priority dropdown has a simple 3-number rating scale, which can be used in whatever manner you wish. What's important here is picking a system and being consistent with input. Last but not least, and required, the deal type, which is definitely something we should be aware of. Using these inputs and more for filters in your reports will allow you to create very tailored lists for you to call and email. There are a number of reports available to you already. Keep in mind, if you like the report, to save a copy in your own private folder instead of saving your edits to the public file. Start the report by clicking or tapping the new report button, and the choice of report type is presented. The type of report you select will determine the default fields available for filtering. For this report, we are working with leads, so choose the leads main type and leads subtype. This will create a new leads report with the most available fields to choose from when filtering. With a new report, you can choose to rename it now or when you save it. Click on the pencil next to the report name to edit it. The default view is of the outline, or the structure of the report. This is essentially the information that will be shown in each column of the report for every object it contains. In this example, this report will be our calling list, so at a minimum it must have a phone number, and I would also like to see the quick notes and lead priority. Add a field and column to the report by tapping or clicking in the search field and typing the first few letters of the desired field. Change the order of the columns by dragging and dropping the labels. Once you have determined the layout of your report, now let's decide what types of leads we want to pull up. Click on the Filters tab to bring up the view of all currently enabled filters. By default, a Show Me and Create Date filter are present. And while we want to see all of my leads, I don't want to limit the results by date, so I will choose to show leads from all time. You can choose your own custom date range to suit your needs, or use options in the date dropdown like filters based on activity to make more specific results. Adding additional filters is similar to adding columns to the outline. Start typing in the search box, and the list of available filters will appear based on the characters you type. This is where the information we enter into the lead starts to pay off. Want to make a list of all the leads without activity this quarter? That's easy, but you have to properly update your leads. If you want to make, for instance, a list of all the medical businesses with a DSL contract expiring in the next 60 days. Once your filters are set to your needs, then either click the Save or Save and Run button. If you haven't given your report a name yet, you will be prompted. Make sure that you are saving to your private folder. When the report is run, you are taken to a list of the records that have been filtered and now can choose to save your report, rename it, export it, delete it, or have this report delivered to your inbox every morning. Please take the time to create your own reports. The time you invest will pay off as you are able to leverage them over and over to keep yourself productive and ensure that all of your leads are paid proper attention. Thanks for watching and good selling to you.